We have every kind of StikBot. We have big StikBots, medium StikBots. These are new ones. These are really cool. These are called the Werewolf Pack StikBots, and these are basically, you can make your own animation, and we even have the animation kit, which gives you a tripod and 2 StikBots to start your animation. And we have all the StikBots that you can possibly imagine. We have the evil StikBots, the good StikBots. We have the cyborg. Look at this cyborg. I didn't know we got these in. Where did we get these in? Don't forget to hit the link below for all these StikBots. These are the cyborg pack and the werewolf pack. Isn't that cool? Look at that, 4-legged StikBots, and they have little suction cups on them. So when you're doing videos, you can do all sorts of different animations. Okay, these are werewolf. Okay, we want to make sure we get these right too. I always knock these over. And then we got in, what's this? Oh, I just dropped that. Okay. And then over here, we've got the snake or the spider StikBots. You're talking about creepy. Check out these things. Let's open one of these. Look at my little knife I got at the Home Depot. This is a Milwaukee. That's sweet. So this is the StikBot creatures. Check that out. Oh man, can you imagine the animation you could make with this thing? All the different clicks. See, and it clicks too. You do one shot at a time and you can make this thing move all over the place. And that is a spider. And these are StikBots, only available, well, not only available, but I mean, I'm promoting them a lot. And they're at ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. So we gotta get that in right. And these are available at ProTinkerToys.com. We have all the StikBots you could possibly want. Big StikBots, the werewolf packs, cyborg pack, the regular StikBots, the monster StikBots, the animation StikBots, everything. Only at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Check the link below to where you can buy it.